Hi there my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make cheese. Yes, you heard me. We're going to make yet another cheese because cheese is never enough, because cheese is life, and we're going to make a simple one, some sort of an emergency kind of cheese, but nonetheless surprisingly amazing because the taste is, boy oh boy, one of the best ones I've ever made. I know the advertising is high, but bear with me, you're gonna love it because it is. Well, you see. And the main ingredient is going to be oatmeal. Oh, the good old oatmeal. And so we start by making actually an oatmeal milk. We're going to add the oatmeal to a blender and water and blend it very well. And now with the help of a cheesecloth or a tea towel, we're going to separate the solids from the liquid. And the oats are actually perfect for making cheese because did you see how thick the water, the milk already came out? And that is going to be very, very good because, hello, it's going to be extra pooling. Pooling? Can you say that? It's going to be extra stretchy. Pooling. Where did I get it from? Oh well. Me and my mispronunciation is half of the fun, isn't it? So, okay. That step done, we're going to add it to a pan and then we're going to put it in the in your stove, along with some nutritional yeast, some salt, some sour starch. Now, if you follow me for a while, you know sour starch, and if you don't, sour starch is fermented cassava starch. And what it does, it gives extra stretchiness to the cheese and that beautiful tangy taste because it's fermented. So if you want to know where I buy mine, I'm going to leave a link down below in both in the comments and in the description box so you can get yours. I bought mine on Amazon. But if you have a Latin shop around you, near you, and most every cities have, so you for sure you're going to find it there. This is important because like I said, tanginess and stretchiness, that's important for cheese, isn't it? And apart from that, we're going to add a little bit of white pepper. I have been incorporating white pepper in my cheeses for I think a year now, and the difference is amazing. It's not hot. It gives only these nuance of, I don't know, that smell, that strong smell that the white pepper has. So perfect. Some turmeric for some color, but that's optional. And some vegetable oil. Now, hear me out. I know that some of you are going to come to me in the comments and ask, oh, can I make it oil-free? Yes, you can. However, listen to me, it's not going to melt and stretch that much. Okay? Because what makes the cheese actually meltable is the oil. I know, I'm sorry, but it is. The other things help a lot. The other ingredients help a lot, but what is going to decide if it's going to be a melty cheese? It's the amount of oil that is present in the recipe. So, if you want to skip, you can do it, but the taste-wise is not going to change so much, but the structure is going to. So, with that in mind, you can do that. And now we're going to stir for about 5 minutes or so in medium heat. And then as you can see, it's very, very stretchy already. Now, this cheese is perfect for pizzas, for toasts or grilled cheeses because it is already melted. So you don't need to buy a block and then pray that it's going to melt enough so you get happy, you know, because it already is so brilliant, isn't it? And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a toast and show you guys how beautifully stretchy it is, because it is, and you're gonna love it. And look at this. It's one of the best cheeses I've ever made, and I was a little bit skeptical because I know that oatmeal, it tends to leave that lingering oat, of course, because it's made of oats. But in this cheese, amazingly enough, it didn't happen. I got the stretchiness from the oats and from the oatmeal, the milk, and I'm mind blown. This is amazing. And I hope you make it. And if you do, you know what to do, don't you? You're going to tag me on Instagram and Facebook, because I love when you do that. I love when you put your spin on my recipes. You guys are brilliant. And follow me on my social media. It's going to be linked down here. And also, there's something on this channel now. You can become a member. You just click on the join there, and you're gonna get special perks, and just for you also, because I love you. So take care of each other, and I see you next time. Bye.